Right, hey guys, and welcome to a quick tutorial. This is to fix an error in Children of the Nile, my new favourite game here. You see the error is you click on it and it says, please insert CD. And you click retry and it still doesn't work. Oh, excuse that guys. But yeah, so you can't play the game then guys. So what you want to do here, go up to the old Google, type in children, no not that, type in Children of the Nile no CD track. I've been searching it before of course. Comes this one from Game Burn World, a reputable website, as you can tell because it's not got a secure domain. And then guys, make sure to download this one here. Last time I tried this, download this one and it broke the game, I had to reinstall it. It's a bit of a pain in the arse. So choose any Miriam and affect it. And now remember this guys, this is crucial information. This is the password. Then you click to download everything. It downloads this, it's called a RAR file guys. And you need to open that. And then obviously I don't pay for it. And then yeah, you can just select a folder here guys. Any will do. Just be right. And enter password, remember guys, it's GBH. No it isn't. Man, it's GBW I meant guys. GBW. Yeah, see now it works. I presume. Now if we go to our folders, whether it's saved, downloads I'm guessing. There we go. And now, I don't know, there'll be a folder somewhere. Oh, I just missed it. Let's go through again. There we go. Now this one that said 1.2. Computers are speeding up a bit here guys. Right then, this is, you don't need this guys, this isn't what you put in. It's the one that says .exe, which is a type of file. When you get this file here guys, and you press your delete button, and you press continue, and then you stick this in its place. Very clever guys. And now then, not that button. And now when you press Children of the Nile, hang on guys.
It's because it's renamed, it's now called 1.2.
Oh fuck yes. Hang on, wait, recycle bin. Oh god, which one did I restore?
Don't restore either. You just have to rename the other one to CLTN.exe.
Oh right, yeah. Obviously I have a vast knowledge of computers here guys. It was like whoopsie. So you want to do that guys, and now it should work.
Climb now, climb, crossing,
Alright, okay then guys,
climb,
now we've booted
climb,
out,
crossing,
so it's
climb,
worked so far.
climb,
Then you just want to click play.
descend,
There we go, now we're
crossing,
loading
descend, crossing, descend now.
And there we go guys, it has worked.
Descend now.
I was keeping my fingers crossed there guys.
Increase climb.
But if you'll excuse me, I'm going to film a new Let's Play.
Increase descent.
I'll see you in
Maintain
the next
vertical
one,
speed.
guys. Long bit.
Maintain.